Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Yellowcard to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or just want to streamline your crypto journey, this guide will have you transferring USDT like a pro in no time. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and transferring it between platforms like Yellowcard and Binance is easier than you might think. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Yellowcard and Binance. If you don't, pause this video and get that sorted. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're logged in, start on Yellowcard. Open the app or website, navigate to your wallet, and select your USDT balance. You'll see an option for withdraw or send. Click that to begin. Next, head over to Binance. Log in, go to your wallet section, and find USDT. Here, generate a deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's like a unique key to your Binance wallet. Don't worry, it's designed to be secure, but always double-check to avoid any mishaps. Now, back on Yellowcard, paste that Binance deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and keep an eye on any network fees. USDT transactions usually use the Tron or Ethereum network, so select the right one to minimize costs. Hit confirm and verify the details. Once you do, the transfer should process quickly, often in minutes. After that, jump back to Binance and check your wallet. You should see your USDT arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and refresh. Blockchain transactions can vary. A quick word of caution: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. Also, double-check addresses to prevent sending to the wrong place. That's a common mistake. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring USDT from Yellowcard to Binance. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.